Check out our newest feature release. We now have in-app notifications for communities. Our CRM's community feature now supports in-app notifications to enhance communication and interaction within private communities. Why this matters and how it's going to help you and your business. Now, with in-app notifications, they are going to provide real-time updates. The intuitive bell icon allows users to conveniently access notifications. Also, this release lays the groundwork for upcoming features such as email notification and browser notifications. Go ahead and let's first access groups. To access groups, you're going to go to the left-hand navigation and you're going to choose memberships. In the upper navigation, I want you to go ahead and select communities, and in the drop-down, select groups. Now, create or log into a group, and you're going to be able to access the newly added bell icon in the upper right-hand corner next to your user icon. Now you can access all notifications by clicking the bell. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.